Thank you for joining, guys, again, and have a nice weekend. And let's see how we're going to fare next week. Not very clear ideas right now because market is super bullish, but it's overextended. What does it mean? Are we going to pull back? Have no clue. Are we going to go much higher? No clue. For a change, you must not have heard me talking about what it's going to do. I'm going to still go ahead and analyze because we are at a crossroad. So, stating that, let's begin with the SPY. And SPY, let's go in a bigger mode and let's see where we stand and what's in store. Uh, So if I expand, you can see this is your trend from this point, this point, this point, and extension. We are hitting that. That should be a resistance technically. Break that, we're going to the next trend line or push it down. So expect a market move like something like coming from here, test this area 432 and then bounce from here, which is kind of moving short ahead. So that's your fib level for 42.87, you can say, which is your 261 level, which is pretty much doable to the market. No question asked. Break this line, we're going to test here, right here, 426, which was 425.50 earlier. So we might be kind of getting in to this particular point. Depending on banks earning this week, be careful. And this is the careful week. And also tells you that there's no trade is also a trade. So expecting that move, as you see, we are right here at the RSI level, which could be a turning point. Pull back to this double test, break it down. We're going to go a little bit bearish. Still, the market is not bearish. So that's the SPY for me. What I see right now. So any question, comments, feel free to put in the comment box, and I will try and answer. Thanks, and let's move to the Qs. So here is your Q, and is it a significant top and pullback, or is it going to continue grinding higher? Again, no clue right now, but I'm kind of expecting because we came underneath RSI is overextended, so we need a pullback, which very well can go to this particular area, um, you know, come back and then continue grinding higher. In the RSI side of it, let's make it a little bigger, make it more interesting. So, and remember, the key is it's not a financial advice. I'm just analyzing the market, not advising to do anything on this. Uh, Definitely, if you look at this area, it's super, super, super extended. Let me get one more tool so that it's going to help me draw some lines. So I'm going to add in here, and you can see that now. That'll be making it much better. So here we go. Let's move around, and so this is kind of still bullish over 161, but push back down. 123 will be a good area to buy again. 350, what I would say. Am I going to buy this move up? Very risky, and I will try to stay out from it. Very, very risky. So that's your cue. Uh, the bullish name is Boeing. And the Boeing, what I'm expecting again on the Boeing is kind of channeling here. If you see on the RSI section of it, and it's telling you that we might be kind of consolidating here and boom up. So Boeing can really scream higher, which you have seen this path kind of trying to go there. So which is around 260 area, and of course Boeing has a much bigger potential on that. So that's your Boeing. Now let's go to one amazing name is Snow, which is going to catch this particular trend line, and it's kind of getting into overbought territory and can stay in the overbought. That's how the market behaves, right? So if I'm looking around, I see a significant top happening here. Right now, we are much lower than that, and sorry, uh, let's change that. And now, if I see, a little pullback and boom up, try to catch up this line. What point it is going to do, I have no clue right now, but definitely I'm bullish on this. It can see very well 304 level 2 on the fib in the next couple of weeks. So that will be the most bullish name. If you have to ask, of course, we need to keep your RSI over this, and it's bullish. So if it comes back and tests this, will be good buying opportunity to move higher. What next? Apple. That's another bullish name you can expect um, because it's overextended. I'm not going to chase it, but this is the worst case scenario. You can see this move happening in the Apple. So around 140 area, if you see again, that should be a buy opportunity for now. If we break this trend line, come back test whatever the price given this particular position, that should be a good long opportunity. Can it still continue grinding higher? It can. I'm not trading. Next one, Amazon. And Amazon has kind of the bullish section right now. Um, and bullish section right now means we are definitely in a bull zone, but it's overextended. So anything below this particular line, you have to draw a horizontal one, come back here, go long and strong. So if it just goes from here and does this, let it go. I'm not chasing it. So it's again the question of how do you want to handle your trades. Another name is AMD, and which had a significant pullback. You can see from around 94 area. My target was this, which was hit, and now kind of pull back. We're kind of trying to go back, test this line. I expect one more drop around 87 area, so this particular level, and from there it can really go back higher. That will be a fake out under 88.70. Should be a very strong support on that. If market rolls over, then it will be we start looking from the downside that we come back and test this area. So we come back and test this area, which is around 80. That should be the strong support and a good trade there. Right now, chasing, I am not comfortable with. So that is my thought on AMD. How about Facebook? And Facebook has done nice rest. And you see, we have tested it. We are kind of consolidating. Pull back here, 330. And then I am looking for another push higher. So because earnings season, anything can happen. So be very, very careful here with this. Right now, I'm not comfortable chasing any names on the upside. Downside, in this bullish market, I'm just staying away. So basically, don't no trade for the week or days. I'm not sure, depending on how nicely it pulls back and give a good opportunity to go along. So that is it from me, folks, this week. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll try and answer. Thanks. And also, if you are interested in having a live session for the analysis, let me know and I will schedule one. Yeah, so go ahead and put your comments in the comment section. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.